go. Baka hindi nila kamalang kusang pasok.
Sige, ako na lang magsama kay ano, doon ka lang magsama kay Isis.
Ganyan kami sa Coron.
Thank you.
Pagod na pagod yung braso.
Oh yeah. Wave. Hey. What's up, killer? Tash is just paddling right now, so I get to lay back and just enjoy the view. It is incredibly peaceful. You happy? Okay. Look at this water. It's so clear. We just see fish and we see jellyfish, and we're just surrounded by all of these like cliffs that are like eroded. It is nice though. Apparently it's could be going up to 40 degrees today. Oh look. Little coral, little fish everywhere. Oh. I'm trying not to put water in on me. What we got here, Saint?
We're going in.
We're going in? Oh. Is there anything over there?
Hello.
No. Alright. Back up, Terry! Back up, Terry! This is lovely. There's like no resistance in the water and we're just like gliding along. Seeing so many fish and jellyfish. But it's, you know, you see them for like half a second, so I can't just like pick up the camera, and because the GoPro needs like a chance to like turn on, so it takes time. And then by the time I've turned the GoPro on, you're just gone. They're just gone, I should say. We're in a very, very shallow area, so we're looking to see what cool stuff we can find. Good?
No. I'm still recovering.
Nice.
Hey, Tosh. Oh, you look cute on there. Go on then, Sam. Woo!
Is he jumping now? Did you hit your face?
Huh?
Did you hit your face?
No.
You got 3/4.
Was it 3/4? Ah.
One, two, three,
It's like winning a koozie. Okay. I'm not missing this.
Nope.
Yeah.
Hey.
Okay.
Yeah.